You can hate him or love him, but you can't ignore controversy's favorite child, Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief of Republic TV. He's synonymous to debates and is known for his popular catchphrase, "The nation wants to know." The nation might loathe his overexcited ways of tackling issues, but at the same time, we have a bittersweet relationship with this man who somewhere changed the whole perception of the media. Politicians are often tangled in a loophole of questions every prime time, and there is no way one can escape his arguments, let alone win them at all. While we are busy laughing off memes on Arnab Goswami, there is little we know of the current pallbearer of the Republic. Welcome to InFact. Here are 10 lesser known facts about Arnab we are sure you would want to know. Arnab started as a journalist with the Telegraph and not with NDTV. While many of us know him as a news anchor who became a face of NDTV, he actually started his career as a journalist with the Telegraph in Calcutta. It was his shortest career stint, less than a year. From there, he shifted to Delhi and joined NDTV in 1995 as an anchor. After working for 3 years, he was promoted to the core team as new editor. His wife is also a journalist. Samyabrata Ray Goswami, the wife of Arnab, is also a journalist and news producer who is currently the editor and co-owner of Arnab's channel. She began her career as a print media journalist and has worked in several publications such as Anand Bazar Patrika, Tehelka and Down to Earth. She worked with ABP till Arnab launched Republic TV. She is also known for breaking the news of Sheena Bora being the daughter of Indrani Mukherjee and not sister. He has Y category security. The Y level of security is provided to Arnab Goswami that includes round-the-clock protection from around 11 personnel and 1 or 2 armed commandos for close proximity protection. His first interview was with Sonia Gandhi. Being a journalist, Arnab's first ever interview was with Congress leader Sonia Gandhi. He was widely praised for this interview. However, on being asked about the one person he tried to interview but failed so far, he said, "As a young reporter, I was able to get Sonia Gandhi's interview on the tarmac of the Palam airport. Some short interactions in the years after that, but I would really like the opportunity for a sit-down interview with her." He was ranked 46th in India Today's high and mighty power list ahead of Arvind Kejriwal. According to India Today's report, Arnab Goswami has ranked 46th in the mighty power list. He was chosen on the basis of his debate topics on social causes like corruption, misgovernance and terror. On the list, he ranked ahead of Arvind Kejriwal and many others. Arnab Goswami was kidnapped by Pappu Yadav for 1.5 days. What comes as a funny anecdote is actually the reality of Indian politics. In 1996, Arnab was covering legislative elections in Purnia, Bihar and had interviewed Pappu Yadav. After finishing the interview, when he was about to leave, he was informed by Yadav's men that he could not leave without Pappu Yadav's permission. His men kept him with them for 1.5 days with Pappu Yadav, telling the public that Arnab was from BBC and even BBC considered Pappu Yadav's sure shot winning in the election. Arnab Goswami belongs to a political family. His father, Manoranjan Goswami, is a retired army officer and a BJP member. Manoranjan has contested as a BJP candidate in the Indian general election from Guwahati. His paternal grandfather, Rajini-Kanta Goswami, was a lawyer and Congress leader. His maternal grandfather, Gauri Shankar Bhattacharya, was a communist and leader of the opposition for many years in Assam. So, we can count his attributes of political knowledge well. Arnab is a published author. Soon after the September 11 attacks of 2001, Arnab came up with his first book, Combating Terrorism, The Legal Challenge. Here, he summed up all the legal issues in framing laws against terrorists and terrorism. Other aspects included the legal solution for terrorism. Arnab also compared India's anti-terrorism laws with those in the West, specifically the United Kingdom. He is an Oxford alumnus. Arnab holds BA Sociology degree from Hindu College, Delhi University. From then onwards, in the year 1994, he completed his Masters in Social Anthropology from St. Anthony's College, Oxford University, where he was a Felix Scholar. His role model. Arnab's role model is a famed musician, Sri Bhupen Hazarika. He is a legend in Assam and is known for his multicultural identity. Arnab was very much fond of Hazarika's songs. Once, Arnab himself went to Calcutta just to experience the thrill of the singer's deep-throated voice. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.